Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Tabitha and today we're going to plan in my classic happy planner for this week in January, which is the week of my birthday, so happy birthday to me. So this week I already decorated, so we're going to actually like how I plan. Which is kind of cool, so stick around if you want to see that. So this is a dashboard layout, and so what I do is I have pages in my planner that are like stay here, and then I use them to fill out each week. The first page is like a list of cleaning. So last week I cleaned the kitchen, and this week I'll clean the living room area. Obviously, like, I still do dishes every single day, like, but there's, like, dusting and stuff like that doesn't need to get done all the time, so that goes in this to-do list. It could also go in this one, but I do usually put it in this one. And I usually just pick 5 things from this list. I try and, like, rotate through them, because that way they all get done, but I don't know, only do it on the weekdays. The weekends I take off, that way it feels like a weekend. I think that's all the things that we need for that section. We'll go to the next section, which is the bills to pay. And then the next section, which is like activities to do with my children. Okay. And that's that whole page filled out. I also need to check in the monthly section, see if there's anything happening that I need to fill into these boxes, or if I just left them blank to figure out that week. And it looks like I just left them blank to figure out that week. Because that's all I see. Cool. And then, so we might fill those in with different things that I want to do, or just like things that we did, or what we're eating for dinner as that day happens, just so that there's something in the box. But sometimes I leave it blank. We'll see. And then the last section, the meals, I usually have more written in here because I watch YouTube to like what's for dinner videos, and then as I see something yummy I fill it in, but I haven't done that much this week, so I have nothing written down. Monday is usually a chopped meal, which just means that I'm just trying to use up whatever is left in my fridge, like extra ingredients from other meals that I have bought before I go to the grocery store on Tuesday. So I usually try and do that day, so that I don't waste food. And I call it chopped because there's a TV show where they like open a basket and they have random ingredients that they have to make into a meal. That's basically what I'm doing out of my refrigerator. And then it makes it fun and exciting for me because I like that show. So the meal section, I just go through, right now I've been going through these 3 cookbooks. I have Korean cooking favorites, the unofficial Harry Potter cookbook, and an Instant Pot cookbook. So I really like the Instant Pot meals for Sunday. That way they can be done quickly while we are at church and then come home and we have food ready. So I usually try and do that for Sunday. And this Harry Potter cookbook has a lot of desserts. So this was what we made this week. It was alright. I will give it a 4 out of 5. It was a cake, but it was a cake. And that's a problem for me. I don't eat a lot of cake usually. Maybe I should have made this cake. We'll try it. I did make a super cute cake with it. Like, I decorated it with some other frosting because I felt like decorating this week. So I did. But we'll go ahead and make this cake hopefully next week as well. And I tried to write down the page number so we can come back to it. And yeah, I'm just gonna scroll through here and fill it out. Probably fast forward through that. Okay, so I think we're just gonna leave those two from that book. That book does have a lot of like both these recipes take a long time to make, so you gotta be like prepared for that mentally. But they haven't turned out good so far, so that's good. I put pheasant in quotation marks because we're definitely gonna make that into chicken because I'm not buying pheasant. But you know, close enough. A bird is a bird, right? I know it's not, but it's fine. Because it's my kitchen and I get to do what I want. Let's go to the Korean one. Just look through it as well. Okay, so here's the menu for next week. We got some beef chili, that's on that page. So I'm trying to have like a vegetable, so I need a vegetable for that one. This one I'm going through and just checking. That recipe has like baked vegetables in there. That one has a vegetable, that one has a vegetable. That one has mushrooms in it. We might use another one too. The tilapia is not in that book, but it's just a recipe that I know I made a couple times and we like it. I think it'll go nicely on top of that rice. So we'll do that. And then let's see, some vegetable. Okay, yeah, I don't really know what I want right now. Nothing's sounding good, so we'll just save it and come back to it when I make the grocery list, which will probably be like Saturday or Sunday, just because I want to make it closer to the day I go shopping so that I can check and see what we're out of. So that's what we have. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. And I will see you back next week. Thanks. Bye.